As the air quality in North India continues to deteriorate, the National Green Tribunal has now issued directions regarding crackers for the entire country just days ahead of Diwali. The NGT has now announced a complete ban on sale and use of firecrackers in Delhi NCR region from today's midnight until the end of this month. The order will be reviewed after this month itself. However, in other parts of the country, ban will be imposed depending on their air quality. Each state to their own, depending on their air quality, should they decide whether to ban or limit the use of firecrackers. Green crackers particularly are allowed in cities where the air quality index was below moderate this year and last year. In fact, the Green Court has given only 2 hours to burst and even the sale of crackers only in the window of that 2 hours where the AQI is in good quality. Meanwhile, no firecrackers are allowed in public and private places in Mumbai, and only soundless crackers are allowed in Diwali in Haryana on the day of Diwali itself. Firecrackers are allowed on Diwali and Guru Purab from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. while on Christmas and New Year's Eve, bursting of firecrackers are also allowed from 11:55 to 12:30 a.m.
देखिए, आज जो एनजीटी का जो ऑर्डर आया है बड़ा ही कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव और बहुत ही डिटेल्ड ऑर्डर है और उसमें जितने भी स्टेट्स हैं, बहुत सारे स्टेट्स के अपने अपने कमेंट थे और अपने अपने जो भी उनके व्यूज़ थे सारे को अमलगमेट करते हुए आज का जो ऑर्डर आया है वो प्राइमरीली यही कहता है कि जो दिल्ली और एनसीआर के इलाके में तो पटाखों पर पूरी तरह से बैन लगा देने की बात इसलिए कही गई क्योंकि एम्बिएंट एयर क्वालिटी यहाँ की काफ़ी ख़राब और ख़राब से भी ज़्यादा है।
हलफनामे फाइल किए थे हरियाणा और यूपी ने, जो यू टर्न लिया था कि हम लोग बैन नहीं लगाएंगे पटाखों पे, तो उनके भी जो रीजन एनसीआर में आएंगे उन पे भी वही ऑर्डर लागू होगा। इसके अलावा जहां पर भी एयर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स बहुत ही पुअर है और सिवियर है वहां पर भी बैन लागू रहेगा। आज के इस फैसले के बाद 9 नवंबर से 30 नवंबर तक दिल्ली और एनसीआर में तो फिलहाल खास करके लिए बैन रहेगा।
If we were to decide making of laws on mere yardstick of enforcement, I doubt many of the laws would ever be enacted. So it is always with hope and trust that the executive authorities would act upon the judgment. And it is that hope and trust which matters as far as the law is concerned. And as a punishment is concerned, it is definitely there because it will amount to a violation. And whatever the penalties imposed under the law would have to be imposed upon them.
जो प्रदूषण नियंत्रण करने के लिए जो विभाग जिम्मेदार है, प्रदूषण नियंत्रण बोर्ड के अधिकारी हो या अथॉरिटी के सक्षम अधिकारी हो या स्थानीय निकाय के अधिकारी हो, उनको सतर्क रहना पड़ेगा और जो भी कानून का उल्लंघन करेंगे उनके विरुद्ध दंडात्मक कार्रवाई सुनिश्चित करना पड़ेगा।
अब छोटे व्यापारियों ने जो पटाखा खरीद रखा है, पहले तो कोरोना के मारे हुए हैं, वो पिटे हुए हैं, उन बेचारों ने क्या था थोड़े थोड़े पटाखे लेके अपना गुजारा करना था। अब वो ही उन्होंने बंद कर दिया, वो क्या करेंगे उस पटाखे, कहाँ रखेंगे? वो 2 घंटे की, देखो आगे भी 2 घंटे की परमिशन तो चलाने के लिए, अब भी 2 घंटे की दे दी, दुकानदारों को परेशान किया। फिर
अगर पटाखे बैन कर दिए जाते हैं प्रदूषण के बाद से, तो आपको लगता है ये सही कदम है या ऐसा?
ये बिल्कुल सही कदम है, इसे बंद कर देना चाहिए। प्रदूषण बहुत ज्यादा फैल रहा है, इससे जनजीवन प्रभावित हो रहा है।
लगता है कि सांसों की प्रॉब्लम,
दिक्कत हो रही है, काफी दिक्कत हो रही है, बंद करना चाहिए पटाखों।
राइट नाउ we are standing in between a market at Patna. You can see that there are different kind of crackers, but if we will talk about the pollution levels right now at Patna, the AQI is almost 200 right now, and if that will remain at the same level, then it won't be under the moderate category, which means the cracker ban will be implemented. Traders who are selling crackers, they are not aware about the ban or the order which has been given by NGT just a few hours ago. Cracker sale is happening at Patna, but people are in favor of banning crackers if the pollution level remains the same. With camera person Alok Das, it's Kumar Kunal for India Today from Patna.
Well, the festive season is just days ahead and you have the NGT now cracking a whip across the country. Delhi now taking a hit with a complete ban on firecrackers that's been ordered quite clearly due to rising pollution levels. We have our reporters on ground getting us the latest from each of the cities. Tanushree joining us from Delhi, Pankaj Upadhyay joining us from Mumbai and Manjeet Sehgal from Chandigarh. Let's cut across to Tanushree. Delhiites must be disappointed, but nonetheless, this is for the larger good. You have pollution levels at severe category here, the air quality index, and now the NGT puts out a complete ban in Delhi. Take us through the details.
Absolutely, Nabila. In fact, I think a larger section of the national capital is extremely happy with the Delhi government's decision and the NGT's decision that there is going to be a blanket ban on the sale of crackers starting from today midnight till the 30th of November. Now, definitely, Nabila, as you know, as all of us know, it's a double whammy for the citizens of the national capital and the NCR as well, because not just the COVID cases, the pollution continue to rise, and in fact, it is in the severe category. Now, everybody who is out on the streets, even after wearing a mask, I can tell you, Nabila, that we can feel an irritation in the eyes. We are having trouble breathing, and it's only because of the pollution level, which continue to be in the severe category. In fact, just about an hour ago, I checked the air quality index in the national capital in the central Delhi, and it was above 450, which is a very severe category, extremely hazardous and dangerous for people who have breathing issues, and in fact very dangerous for those as well who have no breathing trouble trouble. So that is what, Nabila, the Delhi people, the citizens of Delhi are welcoming this decision, and they are saying that we are going to do all we can to make sure that the pollution levels come down.
Right.
And it doesn't go up any further in
Absolutely.
the national capital.
Tanushree, do stay with us. We have Pankaj Upadhyay joining us from Mumbai as well. Pankaj, Mumbai, Maharashtra itself was severely hit by COVID-19 pandemic, and there are reports that prove that pollution levels, the rise in pollution levels could only aggravate the COVID situation anywhere. Here is Diwali coming close. It is a religious sentiment. People are excited, but what's with the firecracker rules now that Maharashtra has implemented there?
The Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, the civic body, issued the guidelines this morning with regards to the Diwali firecrackers, saying that except on the day of Diwali, Mumbaikars will not be allowed to burst crackers at any given point of time in the city or in the suburbs. This morning, when the guidelines were issued, the BMC Commissioner Iqbal Chahal also gave a few liners on social media, and he said, let us all strive to have a cracker-free Diwali festival this year to save our city from the second wave of COVID. Now, the BMC feels that even though the COVID numbers in Mumbai are definitely under control, the count of active cases in Mumbai has come down under 20,000. And so BMC feels that if at all they allow the people to burst crackers, then perhaps this could lead to a situation where it could not only impact people who are suffering from COVID, as the medical fraternity has advised BMC that the smoke and the pollutants that will be emitted from the various firecrackers will lead to a situation where not only the COVID patients will be harmed, plus all those people who have respiratory issues, they'll be harmed.
Right.
Plus the medical fraternity now says that with the onset of winter as well, this situation might be getting more critical. Hence, a set of guidelines has been issued by the BMC wherein crackers, except on the day of Diwali, are only allowed, and the rest of the days Mumbaikars will not be allowed to burst the Diwali crackers, and that too only on the private premises, not on the society or not in the road, and at the same time not the crackers which emit huge sound and lights.
Sure, Pankaj, it's better to be safe than sorry. Undoubtedly, we have Manjeet Sehgal also joining us from Chandigarh. Manjeet, several cases of stubble burning reported where Delhi seems to be bearing the brunt from many states across, Chandigarh one among them. What's the rule, the NGT order, how much does it apply to Chandigarh as well? What has the government decided to implement?
Well, Nabila, as far as Chandigarh is concerned, Chandigarh administration has already banned all type of crackers, and nearly 100 cracker sellers had approached the administration to relax it for some hours, but the administration has refused, saying that it cannot endanger the lives of senior citizens. So as far as the Haryana and Punjab are concerned, in Haryana, the officials will be implementing the NGT orders in all districts which are bordering New Delhi and NCR region. And as far as Punjab is concerned, Punjab Chief Minister in a letter written to NGT has made it clear that none of the districts are bordering the New Delhi and NCR region, hence it will not be banning the bursting of crackers. And as far as the cases in Punjab is concerned, 15% spurt in COVID-19 cases has been reported during the past week, and despite this spurt, Punjab government has not banned the crackers in the state. As far as the air quality is concerned, in many Punjab towns, be it the Chief Minister's own hometown, Patiala, the air quality index is very poor. And in Haryana as well, except Panchkula, in all districts, the air quality is poor, very poor, and even severe.
Right.
So, despite these conditions, the administration is not adopting a blanket ban, but still, due to the vested interest, and like in Haryana, the Haryana allowed 2 hours to burst the crackers, but still the pollution is there. And if we leave the crackers apart, then the stubble burning is still there, and farmers are continuously burning it.
Well, they've got to buck up now. This is a time to be safe. It's a pandemic situation, which is why the NGT now coming out with a ruling. In fact, in Karnataka, Bengaluru as well, the government in Karnataka has allowed for only green crackers to be used and no other types of crackers, and also in limited time window. You have the same in Tamil Nadu as well, between 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Only those 2 hours in that window can you burst firecrackers. This is Diwali, undoubtedly, but it also falls amid the pandemic. It's better to be safe. Thank you, reporters joining us. Tanushri, do stay with us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.